Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Itel Fit O25 and we will compare it with our O23. On our previous video, we compared the design, specs, and UI. On this video, we are going to focus on the menus and features. So if you are interested to see the difference when it comes to features, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and compare the two wearables. Let's go first again. Let's go back and review the UI. So we have here a rotary crown button, the same with our O25. On top here, we have the settings and options. On the bottom part, we have notifications. On the left side, we have a split screen here showing the recently accessed menus. And on the right side, we have the widgets. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so here are the menus and features. We have the Bluetooth call here. So this is the activity tracking. Okay, see the difference here. We also have the workout and the heart rate. We have a Bluetooth call, the same with our smartwatch here. We have a phone call. This is the Bluetooth call. We have exercise. So we have workout, exercise, and workout. Both have a good list of sports functions. We have swimming, we have ball games, we have indoor and outdoor sports functions for both wearable. It seems like the O23 do have a much better list of sports. I'm not sure. I'm going to check it out as we review the wearable this week. Okay. Then we have the heart rate, so which has a better UI. We also have the sleep monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring. I like the UI here of the O25 compared to the Fit O, or compared to the O23. Again, going back, we have a stress monitoring. Do we have it here? We have a, yes, we have, I think this one, the pressure. Both to have a push notification support, weather report. They almost have the same icon here. Music control function. We have a stopwatch, AI voice. We have, where's our voice assistant? Okay, we have a timer, stopwatch. I think they just have the same features here. We have an alarm, calendar also. We have a calculator, find phone. We also have a game here. So more games for our O23 compared to the O25. As you can see, we have several games. We only have one here for the Fit O25. Okay, we have the settings. We have drain. Let's see for the settings here. We have menu style, display. Let's see the menu style here. Menu view. We have at least 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So more options for the menu style for our Fit 23. Wrist trace, battery, vibration and ring, language support. Just the same features here. Seems like the Fit O23 do have a better features when it comes to or do have a better options when it comes to features. Okay, but as you can see here, the Fit O25 do have a much better screen display. It's also in full brightness mode. The black here for our Fit 25 is very black compared to the O23. But when it comes to the menus and features, seems like they just have the same features except for the games here, and I think for the number of sports. Going to check again the number of sports as we go on with our Fit O25. Okay, again, here are the main menus. So which do you think is better when it comes to menus or features offering? Is it the Fit O25 or the Storm Ultra O23? Drop a comment below. Again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Again, we have the Fit O25 Smartwatch, and we have the Storm Ultra O23 Smartwatch. This is smartwatchspecifications.com YouTube channel. Bye!